Now we motherfucking rolling, baby. Oops. I guess they wanted me to go. Hey, how's it going? All right, thanks, man. Have a good one. All right, now that was one heck of a Best Buy adventure. I was supposed to be doing a return and get a gift card for my mop, but Geek Squad said they want to try to fix it. But I did still pick up a few toys. All right, so let's see what we got here. Number one, picked up the 4K version of my little chest mic that I like to use for POVs. That's gonna be fun. I already had it, just upgraded from the to the 4K version. But this motherfucker right here, we finna be 360 in y'all ass all motherfucking summer.